Tulip Series Book 7, a test book of English for class 7th. Students, today our topic is The Rebel, a poem written by D.J. Enright. Dear students, have you ever listened any song or rhyme which parents used to sing for you? Mostly children dance when they listen songs. This is the power of language. When language is written in the form, we call them poems. We can pass great message through poetry and other things like information. Today we are going to learn one of the poems which I hope you will enjoy. So students, let's read the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, "Yes, please," the rebel says, "No, thank you." When everybody says, "No, thank you," the rebel says, "Yes, please." It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one, by D.J. Enright. So let's move to the summary of the poem. In this poem, The Rebel is written by D.J. Enright. This is a wonderful poem written in free verse, and the poet tells about a boy who is a rebel and does everything opposite. He does not follow the actions of the people or the norms of the society. He goes against everything. If people keep short hair, he would like to keep long hair. In the company of dog lovers, he would praise the cats. When students like to go to school, he likes to stay at home, and when others would like to stay at home, he likes to remain outdoors. In short, he is a rebel and does not follow the norms of society. So this was your poem, students, The Rebel. I hope you enjoyed the poem, The Rebel. Thank you, students.